Hi everybody, welcome to Ryan Tech Zone. So today's quick review is for this Baseus 3-in-1 charging cable. Uh, this cable is really very powerful because it has 3.5 amperes and it charges very well and charges really very fast, and very good for traveling and very compact. This cable will not get tangled, and there are cables who get tangled very easily, and after that it's very difficult all the time to keep them straight. It has three options, 3-in-1. It has an Android option, and then this Type C option, and then this one is Lightning iPhone cable. So this and has a USB port, and the best thing is this, that it has three options of length. First length is this for power banks. So the other length is the medium one, and then the third is, you can say, little bit large in size. I will show you like this, and then there is the last option, this one. So it's around 1 meter or something, very nice length, so you can use any of your desired lengths. Or the cable quality is very good, the charging time is very good because of the amperes, and it's very good for charging, and it's very easy to fold it and keep it in your pocket or bag or something. So it's very good for traveling. So hope you like the video, and if you like it, just push the bell icon and just please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.